Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsiselebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday!
Lisa, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. A kiss. And I hope that this year will be one of your best. God bless you.
Enjoy your life and be happy always.
Happy birthday. God bless you. I mean, belated happy birthday. See you soon and hope to jam and dance with you soon. Bye-bye.
Birthday! Birthday na ating pinagdiriwang buwan o taon-taon. Kahit anumang edad man ang ating kinabibilangan, age doesn't matter, ika nga nila. Kahit anumang edad man yan, lahat yan mapapantayan mo. Kahit ano ka pa ay kakayanin mo. Kahit anumang hirap o pagsubok man ng mga pinagdadaanan mo ay malalagpasan mo yan at nakakamit mo ang iyong tagumpay sa hirap at ginhawa, sipag, tiyaga at diskarte ang puhunan. Kahit yung edad mo ay tumataas, pero ikaw ay hindi kailanman magbabago. Ang pananaw mo sa buhay ay tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang buhay magpakailanman. And I thank you.
Queen Yasmin, maraming salamat sa binigay mong birthday spoken word. Matagal na kitang kilala at hanga ako sa'yo. Thank you so much, Yasmin, para dito.
Hi, Abby. Happy birthday. Miss ka na ng ibang customer. Pasyal ka naman minsan sa bar.
Hi everyone! So, ang daming nagpapa-birthday greetings. So, isahin ko na lang kayo lahat at isave nyo ang video ito at isend sa birthday celebrants. Greetings! Happy birthday to you and to your family. Always remember to love your parents because they are the one who pregnancy for you. And always promote peace in order. Take good care of yourself. Study hard. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday, birthday celebrant! Wow!
Sino yan?
Dito po ba nakatira si Tita Vic?
Ay, opo.
Yes, Tita Vic! Finally! Gusto po. Tita Vic, happy birthday sa'yo! Ang tagal na kitang hindi nakikita. Akala mo hindi ka matutuntun yung bahay nyo. I miss you so much. Happy birthday, Tita Vic. Wish you all the best in life. God bless you always. Shot na soon. Bomba na!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Abby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Abigail Matias. Magbate mula sa SK Federation, President of Hermosa. Have a good health and happy life.
Happy birthday, Tita Abby. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Ma'am Abby!
Abigail Matias, nakita ko yung pangalan mo dun sa Hot Sexy Mom ng Olongapo. So, happy birthday!
Hi, Abigail Basa Matias. We wish you
a happy
birthday! Woo! Love you.
Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Sana po'y parating nasa tip-top shape ang inyong kalusugan. God bless you.